The World Health Organization has issued a stark warning, saying the world has entered a dangerous phase of the COVID-19 pandemic. Worldwide, almost 9 million people have tested positive, and the death toll now stands at nearly 500,000.
I do think it's important to look at increased numbers, to examine where are those increased numbers happening, who are those increased numbers happening to, can it be explained by increased testing, is the health system starting to come under pressure, and if it is, you need to act.
European countries, which once had the bulk of infections, appear to be over the worst, with the number of confirmed cases and deaths falling in the UK, Italy, Spain and France. Most of the new cases are now in the Americas, with widespread outbreaks in the US, Brazil, Peru and Chile. In Brazil, President Jair Bolsonaro continues to downplay the crisis, accusing health officials of trying to undermine his leadership. And in the US, President Donald Trump says increased testing is making the country look bad.
When you do testing to that extent, you're going to find more people, you're going to find more cases. So I said to my people, slow the testing down, please.
There's also concern about the rising number of cases in South Asia. On Sunday, India recorded more than 15,000 new cases, bringing its number of infections to over 410,000, the fourth highest in the world after Russia, Brazil and the US. But with the numbers in Europe apparently under control for the moment, tourists from the region can now travel to Greece and Spain without having to undergo a 2-week quarantine. However, the World Health Organization warns that governments need to be vigilant.
The pandemic is accelerating in many parts of the world. And so while we have seen countries have some success in suppressing transmission and bringing transmission down to a low level, every country must remain ready. And if countries are seeing some success and are considering lifting the lockdowns, we need to ensure that we are all using this time wisely to ensure that our systems are in place to be at the ready to detect any cases, any resurgence in cases.
140 vaccines are being tested in research labs around the world. The WHO is hopeful a vaccine will be found by the end of the year. In the meantime, while some parts of the world are relieved to see the light at the end of the tunnel, the numbers show that others still have a long way to go before they're out the other side. Owira, TRT World.